To use Trust Wallet Face ID, login securely and efficiently. Follow these best practices. First, ensure your device supports Face ID, which is typically found on newer models of iPhones and iPads. Enable Face ID on your device by going to the settings. Then tap on Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode. Move your face around to complete the scan, and you will be prompted to do this twice to ensure accuracy. After setting up Face ID on your device, open Trust Wallet and navigate to the settings. Look for the security section and select the option to enable biometric authentication, which includes Face ID. You may be asked to enter your passcode or password to confirm this change. When using Face ID to log in to Trust Wallet, make sure you are in a well-lit area and that your face is clearly visible to the camera. Avoid using Face ID in low-light environments or when wearing accessories like hats or sunglasses that may obstruct your face. For added security, regularly update your device and Trust Wallet to the latest versions, as these updates often include patches and improvements to Face ID functionality. Be cautious of phishing attempts that may try to trick you into revealing your Face ID or wallet details. To further protect your account, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This provides an additional layer of security in case your Face ID is compromised. By following these best practices, you can use Trust Wallet Face ID login securely and efficiently, protecting your cryptocurrency and personal information from unauthorized access. Remember to always prioritize security and stay vigilant when using biometric authentication methods.